I'm going to show you how to use Vlookup to grab the data on the total number of loan denials to add to the spreadsheet. So Vlookup is a logical function. Maybe you can see the formula here. And what it's doing is this formula is telling us that we want to go and look up Van Buren County. And then we want to go to this other sheet, which is the Native American, and then grab the number of denials and bring that over here. So it's referencing the Native American sheet. I'm going to just click off this, go over to the Native American sheet. And so it is looking vertically down this list for everything that says Van Buren County. And then it will go over two columns, because we directed it 2 columns, grab that data, which is number 6, and then bring it back to our sheet here, which I've called top race rejections. I just copied the top 10 combined, and I sorted it by the top denial rate. And my point here is to try to just fill in some context on the number of loans that go with the percentage of rejections. So in filtering this, I just constructed this. I'll just show you what it looks like. I was able to do this Vlookup formula and copy it all the way down, and I have now all the loans grabbed from the Native American sheet, just to provide some additional context. So let's build this for African Americans. I'm going to click all this off. I'm just filtering for the Black African Americans, Vlookup, and so I want to get Dallas County, and then I want to tell it to go to the African American tab. And I start the sort here on the actual data, not on the row labels. 4 corners all the way down. Up here in the menu bar, just to make it quick, I know that I'm going to be taking it from the 3rd column over, which is with the denial column, and then I want an exact match, so I put 0, and that brings us to 41. Just to double check to make sure that Dallas County, click off this, there are indeed 41 rejections. Here's Dallas County. The number of rejections is 41. Okay. So one of the complicating factors is we have to put relative, we have to anchor the cell references for the data that we define. So it stays in the same data sheet. So I'm putting these $ in front of the sheet cell references. So when we copy this formula down, it will be, whoops, stop that. So when we copy this formula down, it will reference the entire sheet rather than some portion as we move down in the relative cell references. Just about there, just about there. Okay, and so now I'm going to just copy this down. Oops. Get my cursor to work. There we go. All right, and just to double check that Chico County, it indeed has 30 denials, and it does. So just a very nice tool to manage data sets off multiple spreadsheets. That's it. Thanks.